Good morning, students. In the previous class, we completed the second sum. Today, we are starting with the third sum. The third sum is Ashish lent rupees 10,500 to Sunindi at 7% per annum. After 5 years, Sunindi discharged the debit by giving a watch and rupees 1300 in the cash. What is the value of watch we have to find? In this sum, first of all, we have to find that amount, how much you have to pay for that once. So, solution I am taking that once. For that solution, in this sum, principal means the amount taken is 10,500 to Sunandi at 7% per annum. That means rate is equal to 7%. Time taken is 5 years. From this, we have to find out first simple interest. Simple interest formula is equal to TTR by 100. Substitute in the formula. Simple interest is equal to 10,500 into 7 into 5 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. Cancellation. Therefore, simple interest is equal to multiplication. 105 into 7 into 5. That means 105 into 35 is 3675. 3675. Amount is equal to P plus I formula. Amount is equal to P plus I. Substituting the formula, A is equal to 10,500 plus 3675. Addition is 5, 7, 1, 4, 1. 14,175. From this 14,175 onwards, from this 14,715 onwards, he is paying that one 13,000 and for the remaining balance is for watch. What is the cost of the watch we have to find for that once? Here we have to write that one amount paid, money paid is equal to 13,000 rupees. Now cost of watch is equal to 14,175 minus 13,000 which is equal to 5711. Cost of watch is equal to 1,175 rupees. The cost of watch is 1,175 rupees. In this sum, first of all, what is given for us is the amount we have to find for that once. Total amount is simple interest is 3,675. For the 3,675, the principal is 10,500. Total amount paying is 14,175. From this 14,775 onwards, he is paying the money of 13,000 rupees. 13,000 money he is paying, and remaining that money for that money for rupees watch is given. The cost of watch is 1,175. This is about this sum. Write down. So, in what time will simple interest on rupees 7,650 be? 102.50 1,102.50 at 6.4% per annum. So here what is the finding is? We have to find the time. Time is equal to question mark. T is equal to rupees 7560. So this is amount or interest means AMO and the amount spelling is not there. Amount spelling is there means it is amount is given in that once, but it is given that one simple interest B means E is. So SI is equal to rupees 110.50 and the rate of interest is 6.4% which is equal to 25/4% per annum. We have to find out one simple interest first. TTR by 100. Substituting in the formula, simple interest is equal to substitute in the formula 7560 into. So in this sum, already simple interest is given for us. From this formula onwards, we have to find out time. Time is equal to 100 into I by T into R. From this formula onwards, T came. So substitute in the T. T is equal to 100 into 1102.50 by, this is principal is 7560 into 25/4. Which will changes as T is equal to this 100 into 11025. Decimal point will gone. Multiplication to two sides. 110,250 by 7650 into 25 into 4. It will become to the numerator. It will goes to numerator. So cancellation using the table. So cancellation 0 0. 25 table. 25 1 are 25. 25 4 are 100. 25 4 are 100. Balance is 25. 441. 4 4 1. This 4 4 1 and 7 5 6 6. 7 plus 5. 12 plus 6 18, which is cancellation doing in a which table? 9 table. Cancellation do that in 9 table. Cancellation in 9 table. Cancellation in 9 table. 4 4 1. Cancellation in 9 table. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So 81 means 9 times. 9 times. Again cancellation here. 9 8s are 72, 73, 74, 75, 36. 36 means 4 times. 49 and 84. 49 and 84. Again cancellation do that in 7 table. So see here. 4 ones are 4. 21 times. 7 table cancellation 3 times. 7 times. So time is equal to 7 by 3, which is equal to 2 1 by 3 years. What tables I used cancellation means? Here 25 table, 9 table, 4 table and 7 table. Using that cancellation I did that once. So copy that once. Okay, see here. At what rate percent per annum? At what rate percent per annum will rupees 16,200 amount to rupees 2080 in 3 1 by 2 years? So here what is given for us? Solution. At what rate means rate is equal to question mark. Principal is given 1625 rupees and the amount is given for us 2080. 2080. The amount is given to find interest. The amount is given to find only the interest. The amount is given to find interest. So we have to find out one interest for this sum. I is equal to A minus B. 2080 minus 1625. Subtraction 5. 7 minus 2 5. So subtraction here 20 minus 16 is 4. 4 5 5. 4 5 5. And the time is given, that one is 3 1 by 2 years, which is equal to 7 by 2 years. Amount is given to find interest. The amount is given to find interest. So due to that one we are finding that one interest formula. We know that one interest formula is PTR by 100, but here we have to write that one I is equal to A minus P. We have to find that one I is equal to A minus P. So put in the formula R is equal to 100 into I by T into T. R is equal to 100 into P is 1625. So that is 455 by 1625 into 7 by 2. Writing of reciprocal 100 into 455 into 2 by 1625 into 7. Cancellation, doing that 5 table cancellation. 5 table cancellation here. 5 3 is 15, 12 is 2 times, 12 is 2 times, 5 times. 100 is 20 times. Again cancellation in 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 6 5, 65. Again cancellation in 5 table. This is 455. 9 5s are 45, 1 time, and here is 13 times. Again. So here 13 table 1 time, 7 times. 7 7 is cancelled, which is equal to 4 2s are 8. Therefore, rate is equal to 8% for this sum. The rate percentage is 8%. The rate percentage is 8%. And the next sum is, at what rate percent of simple interest with a sum of money double itself in 12 years? Sum of money doubles. The double meaning is given that one amount. So solution. Here what we have to find means rate is equal to question mark. P is equal to rupees 100 lakh. Here it is not given that one how much money they took. So we are taking as 100 lakh. Then amount will become double. So amount is rupees 200. Always the amount is given to find interest. I is equal to a minus b. 200 minus 100 is equal to 100. Interest is 100. Now we have to write that one. Time is equal to 12 years. Formula R is equal to 100 into I by T into T. Substitute in the formula. R is equal to 100 into 100 by 100 into 12. 100 cancellation to 12 and 100. Using the 4 table 3 times. This is 25 times. 25 by 3, 12, 1 by 3 years. So, which is equal to the total age? Therefore, rate is equal to 12 1 by 3 percentage. 12 1 by 3 percentage. Here cancellation using the 2 table, sorry. 8 1 by 3 percentage. I did with cancellation with 2 table. Sorry, it is 3 table. So, 8 1 by 3 percentage. 8 1 by 3 percentage. So see here, simple interest on certain sum of money is 9 by 6 of sum. So in this question, no sum is given, no money is given, nothing is given, only 9 by 16 is given. So let solution, let P is equal to P. I am taking as let P is equal to P. P is equal to T, R is equal to T. Since given T is equal to the time and rate or both are same. Any one we have to find from this one. I am taking that one, this is the formula here. In this ones, substituting that one formula, using that one, and interest is given for us. I is equal to 9 by 16 of sum, which is equal to 9 by 16 into P, that is 9P by 16. 9P by 16. From this all onwards, we have to find any one letter. So taking of finding any one letter means I am taking that one time formula. So time formula is equal to 100 into I by P into R. 100 into I by P into R. Substituting in the formula, 100 into 9P by 16 whole by P means P, R means P. Writing of the ones. P is equal to, this 16 will come to the down. 100 into 90 by P into T into 16. Cancel that one P, P. Cancel that one P, P. This will change us. P is equal to 900 by, it will change us. Here I am writing it once. P is equal to 900 by 16T. 900 by 16T. We want only the T. This T will come to this side. T into T is equal to 900 by 16. T square is equal to 900 by 16. We want only T. So square root will become as root 900 by 16, which is equal to 30 by 4. Changing of mixed fraction. 7 4s are 28. So cancellation to first here 2 times, 15 times, 15 by 2. 7 1 by 2 years. 7 1 by 2 years, which is equal to 7 1 by 2 years. Therefore, R is equal to 7 1 by 2 percentage. P is equal to 7 1 by 2 years. In this sum. In this sum, T and R. T also we don't know, R also we don't know that once. So P is P, T is T, R is T. Because of T and R are same. Substituting in the formula, we are taking that formula T is equal to 100 into P by T into R. So substitution that once T square 900 by 16, which is equal to 7 1 by 2 years. So here what sum will yield? Rupees 406 as simple interest in 1 year 4 months. So given that once P is equal to question mark, R is equal to in this sum 6 1 by 4 percentage, which is equal to 25 by 4 percentage per annum. Time is given as 1 year 2 months, which is equal to 1 year 2 months means 1 year means 12, 12 plus 2 14 by 12 months. 12 years plus 2 months, 13 14 by 12 months, which will change as years. 14 by 12 years. Substituting the formula, P is equal to 100 into I by T into R. I is equal to rupees 406. 100 into 406 by 25 by 4 into 14 by 12, which is equal to 100 into 406 into 12 into 4 by 25 into 14. Cancellation in 25 table. 1 time, 4 times. Again, cancellation in 2 table. 6 times, 7 times. 6 times, 7 times. 7 table cancellation. 7 ones are 7. 7 table. 7 fours are 35. 7 fives are 35. 7 fives are 35. 35 means 56. 8 times. There is no cancellation. Multiply. 4 into 6 into 5 into 4, which is equal to 55, 68. Therefore, principal is equal to rupees 5568. The sum answer is this one, C1.